Anyone, what is definition of symmetry elements? Symmetry elements. I will take the numbers name. Symmetry elements. Roll number 3. Busner.
Yes, sir.
Definition of symmetry
Yes,
element. Definition of symmetry elements.
symmetry elements. A symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into configuration identical to initial configuration.
A symmetry
Configuration.
operation is one that takes the crystal into a configuration identical to the initial configuration. Okay. Then second, there are 3 types of symmetry elements: axis of symmetry, planes of symmetry, and center of symmetry. What is definition of axis of symmetry? Hmm. Axis of symmetry. I will tell the number. Roll number I will tell. Roll number 10. Roll number 10. Definition of axis of symmetry. Pradnya. Number 10. Yes, no, काहीतरी आहे तरी दिसायला पाहिजे लेक्चर नाही तर जॉईन करू. Definition of planes or axis of symmetry. At least read it from the screen. Axis of symmetry. Who will tell? Anyone? Any other? Definition of axis of symmetry.
Sir, can I?
An axis of
Okay.
symmetry is a
number.
line about which the crystal may be rotated so that
Continue. Roll number 15, continue. 15.
An axis of symmetry is a line about which the crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation about this axis, the crystal comes into a concurrent position. It is found that crystalline solids can have 2, 3, 4 axes of symmetry corresponding to 180 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree rotation respectively.
Okay. Then next is tetrad axis. 4 points are given in tetrad axis, or 3 points are given with figure 4 are there. Who will explain all these 3 points about tetrad axis?
Can I, sir?
Okay, no problem. Start it. Tetrad axis.
A cube, tetrad axis. A cube is rotated about vertical axis, passing through the center of 2 opposite parallel faces. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be 4 positions of cube which are identical with its original position. It's called as tetrad axis of symmetry.
Okay, it is point number 1 means 4 positions are there. When one complete rotation of there are found to be 4 positions, and this tetrad axis is passing through the centers of the 2 opposite parallel faces. Okay, the second point. Continue.
Point 3 is number of tetrad.
Second point is remaining. Point number 2.
In each rotation of 90 degree brings the cube into its self-coincidence position.
Okay, correct. Then third point is number of
tetrads axes are 3.
Okay, number of tetrad axis is equal to 3. Okay, these are the 4 points of the tetrad axis. Second is triad axis.
Can I, sir?
Deshmukh.
A cube is rotated about vertical axis, passing through center of 2 opposite parallel edges. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be 2 positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. It is called dyad axis of symmetry.
Okay, means dyad axis passing through the centers of the 2 opposite parallel edges.
Yes, sir. Second point. In each rotation of 180 degree brings the cube into its self coincident position.
Okay, correct.
And third number of dyad axes are 6.
Okay, number of dyad axis for the cubic crystal is equal to 6. Okay, these are the 3 points from the dyad axis. Then triad axis. Can I, sir? Who is there? Aditya. Repetition करायचं नाही फक्त आपल्याला नवीन पाहिजे प्रत्येक वेळेस. एकदा सांगितलं की बाकीचे दुसऱ्याला चान्स द्यायचा. हा आदित्य, हा स्टार्ट.
Okay.
First
Ah.
point, a cube is rotated about its body diagonal. It is seen that in one computation rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be three positions of the cube, which is identical to its original position.
Is
It is called
called
triad axis.
hmm.
Second option. In each rotation of 120 degree brings the cube into its self coincidence position.
Okay. Number of.
And third point, number of tetrad axes are 4.
Okay, number of tetrad axes are 4. Then write next point, write it planes of symmetry. Write it planes of symmetry. Planes of symmetry. Planes of symmetry. Okay, listen please. It is a mirror plane. Mirror plane, when an imaginary plane can divide the crystal into two equal halves. It is called as planes of symmetry. See here, this plane is there. It is called as mirror plane because if crystal cut along this plane, a crystal cut along this plane, we are getting two identical halves. Crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. Or one half is placed on the mirror. The image reproduces the other half of that crystal. That's why this plane is called as mirror plane, or it is called as plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry म्हणजे काय असतं? Plane असतं. It is a plane. कसलं plane आहे हो? This plane is called as which plane? Mirror plane. Mirror plane का म्हणायचं आहे plane ला? If crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two identical halves or two identical halves, and one half is placed on the mirror, then image reproduces the other half of this crystal. That's why this plane is called as mirror plane, or it is called as plane of symmetry. असे एकूण किती प्लेन असणार आहेत क्यूबिकला? कोण सांगतात? 3 म्हणजे कसे 3 आहेत? पॅरलल टू दी फेसेस. अजून एकदा काय मिरर प्लेन म्हणजे काय? इट इज अ मिरर प्लेन. व्हाय दिस प्लेन इज कॉल्ड एज मिरर प्लेन? कोण सांगताय? When it is a mirror plane, when imaginary plane can divide the crystal into कशामध्ये डिवाइड करते तो प्लेन?
Two equal part.
Two equal parts.
Two equal parts.
Such that each part is exactly कसले mirror image of the other. प्रत्येक पार्टला दुसऱ्याची मिरर इमेज असतो. Then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry. आता ऍक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणजे काय असते? व्हॉट इज ऍक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री मीन्स लाईन. ऍक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री मीन्स लाईन. प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री मीन्स इट इज अ प्लेन. प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री मीन्स इट इज अ प्लेन. ऍक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री मीन्स इट इज अ लाईन. Okay, then second plane, see here, crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. So this is second plane. If cubic crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. One half is kept on the mirror, then image reproduces the other half of that crystal. That's why it is called second plane of symmetry. दुसरं plane आहे. तिसरं plane इथं आहे बघा. This is third plane, parallel to the faces. If cubic crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. These are the three planes parallel to the faces. आणि त्याच्या पुढे 6 diagonal planes आहेत. त्याच्या आधी आपण ही 3 कंप्लीट करू. राइट, फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन. it is definition of plane of symmetry. It is actually a mirror plane. It is actually a mirror plane. It is actually a mirror plane when an imaginary plane can divide the crystal, when an imaginary plane can divide the crystal into two equal parts, when an imaginary plane can divide the crystal into two equal parts, such that each part is the exact mirror image such that each part is the exact mirror image of the other, exact mirror image of the other, then the crystal is said, then the crystal is said to have, then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry. Crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry. Who will read? Anyone? न्यू नंबर प्रत्येक वेळेस नवीन ज्यांनी सांगितलं नाही त्यांनी हा जवान हा जवान हा
Plane of symmetry definition. It is actually a mirror plane when an imaginary plane can divide the crystal into two equal parts such that each part is the exact mirror image of the other. Then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry.
ओके इन शॉर्ट काय म्हणायचं प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणजे एक प्लेन असते कसलं प्लेन असतंय क्रिस्टल कट अलॉंग दिस प्लेन त्या प्लेनला आपण क्रिस्टल कट केला तर आपल्याला दोन कसले हाफ मिळतात इक्वल हाफ्स किंवा आयडेंटिकल हाफ इक्वल हाफ तर एक हाफ आपण मिररवर ठेवला तर इमेज रिप्रोड्युसेस दी other half of that crystal. Such plane is called as plane of symmetry. An axis of symmetry म्हणजे काय असते? It is a line. Plane of symmetry म्हणजे it is काय? It is a plane. Okay. Plane. Okay. First, right. Draw these three figures. There are three planes. Right. There are three planes. There are three planes of symmetry. There are three planes of symmetry parallel to the faces of the cube. Parallel to the faces of the cube. Draw these three figures first. This is first figure. Here, first one. First, this is second. This is third. Draw these three. First plane, show this like this. First cube, when you show the plane, a crystal cut along this plane, we are getting two identical halves or two equal halves. We draw this first plane. झाल्यानंतर हे सांगा पहिलं झालं फर्स्ट complete this first figure first. Or figure number 1. First plane. This is first plane of symmetry. If crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. One half is above this plane, second half is below this plane. Okay. Second one. Cubic crystal. If cubic crystal cut along this plane, second plane, we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. So the second figure, draw it. सोपं आहे पट क्यूब काढायचे पटकन क्यूब काढून घ्यायचे 3 क्यूब काढून घ्यायचे पहिल्यांदा 3 प्लेन दाखवायचे पहिले प्लेन एवढा वेळ लागेल पटकन सिमिलर वे कंप्लीट 3 फिगर्स फर्स्ट complete second and third figure also. This is the plane. The crystal cut along this plane. We are getting two equal halves. Second figure. This one is the third one. Okay. Over.
Over, sir.
Okay, I will take one more.
Over.
Roll number 20, Akshay Khadge. All three figures are over.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then write next sentence. Write it. First sentence is written. There are three planes parallel to this. Three planes of symmetry parallel to the faces of the cube, and six diagonal planes of symmetry. Six diagonal planes of symmetry. Right. Second is six diagonal planes of symmetry. These are the six diagonal planes here. Okay, these are the six diagonal planes. This is first one. Okay, first diagonal. This is the diagonal. If crystal cut along this plane, we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. One half is kept on the mirror. The image reproduces the other half of that crystal. This is one of diagonal plane of symmetry. First diagonal plane of symmetry. त्याच्या opposite प्लेन लगेच हे काढून घ्यायचं परपेंडिक्युलर आहे त्याला हे प्लेन it is perpendicular to this. A cubic crystal cut along this plane, and we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. Two equal halves or two identical halves. Okay, first complete first these two figures. First one, second one, then next two. नंतरचे दोन पण करायचे कंप्लीट लगेच. पहिले दोन झाल्यानंतर दुसरे दोन. फर्स्ट टू फर्स्ट. त्यानंतर हे दोन घ्या. फिगर काढताय का नुसते गप बसले आपल्या निवांत?
काढतोय सर.
काढताय.
काढतोय सर.
हे झालं सेकंड वन. Then third and fourth. This is third one. Third figure. This one is fourth one. लक्षात येतात ना सगळ्या? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक आहे. चार झाले. पाचवी आहे बघा. पाचवी सहावी. This is fifth one. तुम्ही समोर नाही त्यामुळे माझ्या काहीच लक्षात येत नाही. कोण फिगर काढताय काय? एक वन मोबाईल ठेवून गेलाय. Sixth one. These are the six diagonal planes are. And total number of planes of symmetry 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 किती येणार आहे? 9. Total 9 planes of symmetry are there for the cubic crystal. Okay. Or all nine figures are over. Complete it.
No, sir.
Then complete it. समर्थ रोल नंबर 44 आलेत का समर्थ आता? हा फिगर्स आर ओव्हर. समर्थ आपण चालू करून ठेवूया. 62 दिग्विजय शिंदे. Digvijay Shinde.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will take attendance one by one. Huh? This says one roll number 1, 1, 2. Roll number. Okay, I will write absent numbers here. Roll number 2. Present. 3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6. Roll number 7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9. Roll number 9. Purva Jagtap. 9. 10. Pradnya. Roll number 10. Okay, I will make one correct. 11.
Sir, 9. 9, right?
9 present. Yes, correct. 10, 11. Absent. 12. 12.
Present.
13. 13. 13.
Present.
14.
Yes, sir.
14.
Yes, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16. Roll number 16. I'm checking here. One unmute करता है. Roll number 16. 15 is present. 15. Ashish.
Yes, sir.
16.
Yes, sir.
17. Yuvraj.
Yes, sir.
18. Absent.
Present, sir.
Roll number 18 is present. 19. Ritesh. Ganthade. 19 absent. 20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22. Aditya. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Yes, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Yes, sir.
7.
Yes, sir.
8. 28.
Yes, sir.
29. 29. Absent. 30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present.
33.
Yes, sir.
34. 34 absent. 35.
Present, sir.
36.
Yes, sir.
37.
Present.
38.
Yes, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41. Yes.
Present, sir.
42.
Yes, sir.
43. Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
44. Samarth.
Present, sir.
Talawa आवाज. 45. 45. 46.
Present, sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48. 48. Ishmash. 48. 48. 49. 49. Absent. 50.
Yes, sir.
51.
Yes,
52. 52.
Yes, sir.
53.
Yes, sir. 52.
52.
Yes, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
54.
Yes, sir.
55.
Present.
56.
Yes, sir.
57.
Yes, sir.
58. 58.
Present, sir.
59. 59. 60.
Present, sir.
61.
Yes, sir.
62.
Present.
63.
Yes, sir.
64.
Yes, sir.
65. Okay. Okay. Then this planes of symmetry is over.
Yes, sir.
66 is there. 66. Okay. Planes of symmetry total. How many planes of symmetry total? 9 planes of symmetries are there. Total how many axes of symmetries? Number of axes of symmetries is equal to
13.
13. Okay, 13 axes of symmetry and 9 planes of symmetry. Right now. Center of symmetry, last part, third one. Center of symmetry. Write it. Third. Center of symmetry. Center of symmetry. Okay, line of symmetry means it is a line. Plane of symmetry means it is a plane, and center of symmetry means it is a point is there. Okay, if see here, line start from any point on the crystal. Is for example, line start from this point A. It starts from this point A point, passing through the center of symmetry. I means the center of symmetry. This is I means center of symmetry. Line start from point A, passing through this center of symmetry, produce same distance on the opposite side. It meets at point B. And this point A and point B, these 2 points are identical points. काय म्हणायचंय मला? एका पॉइंट पासून आपण A पॉइंट पासून लाईन स्टार्ट केली. ओके, A पॉइंट कसला आहे हो? कॉर्नर पॉइंट इज देयर. ओके, लाईन स्टार्ट इट इज पासिंग थ्रू कुठून पास केली? Center of symmetry.
Center of symmetry.
Okay, I is the center of symmetry. And this line is produced, it is passing through the center of symmetry, and it is extended, and it reach at point B. This point A and point B, these 2 points are identical point. Okay, this line starts from any point on the crystal. म्हणजे A पासून start केली. Example घेता. Passing through the center of symmetry, produce same distance, produce equal distance on the opposite side. These 2 distances are same. This distance means AI and IB. They produce same distance, produce equal distance on the opposite side. It meets at identical point. This I is called as center of symmetry. This point is called as center of symmetry. Another example, P point. P point कुठला point आहे? This point is I कसा मी corner point म्हणतात. What is this P point? It is a point P is the कोण सांगताय? Face centered point. Face centered. Okay. Line starts from this point P, passing through the center of symmetry, okay, I, produce same distance, produce equal distance on the opposite side. It meets at point Q. And this point P and point Q, these 2 points are identical points. Another example, कोण सांगताय मला आता? Any another example? कुठला example घेऊ शकतो आपण? Center of symmetry साठी. First example is taken AB. Point line start from point A, passing through this point I. Center of symmetry produce same distance. It reach at point B. A and B are identical point. That's why this point I is called as center of symmetry. Another example, line start from this point P, passing through the center, produce equal distance on the opposite side. It meets at point Q. This point P and point Q, these 2 points are the identical points. Another example, कोण सांगताय? Anyone? कुठला example घेऊ शकतो आपण? Which point? Can I take this point?
Line passing through
Vertically, sir.
इथून घ्यायचा? कसला पॉइंट म्हणायचा याला?
axis center.
R म्हणजे कुठला आहे? Edge center. बरोबर आहे का?
Edge centered.
Edge center. Line start from this point R. Passing through the
Center of symmetry.
center of symmetry. Symmetry I produce equal distance on the opposite side. It reach at point S. This R and S, these 2 points are कसले points आहेत? Identical. हा पण S centered आहे. हा R पण कुठला आहे? S centered.
Edge centered.
S centered. Okay, this point of symmetry I is called as which point? Center of symmetry of this
Symmetry.
crystal. Okay. The definition guy, it is a line. If a line is drawn from any point on the crystal, passing through the point means I point, center of symmetry, and produce an equal distance on the opposite side or other side of the center, it meets an identical point. This point of symmetry is called as center of symmetry. Right? Definition, it is a point in a crystal. It is a point in a crystal. It is a point in a crystal. It is a point in a crystal It is a point in a crystal. It is a point in a crystal. If a line is drawn, if a line is drawn from, it is a line, if a line is drawn from any point on the crystal, line is drawn from any point on the crystal, passing through this point, line is drawn from any point on the crystal, passing through this point, and produced an equal distance, and produced an equal distance on the other side, and produced an equal distance on the other side of this center, produced an equal distance on the other side of this center. It meets an identical point. It meets an identical point. This point of symmetry is known as, this point of symmetry is known as center of symmetry. This point of symmetry is known as center of symmetry. Draw this figure now. Show two examples. Line starts from A, passing through the center I, produce equal distance on the opposite side. It meets at point B, point A and point B. These 2 points are identical points. Okay. Draw it first. Okay, over. Figure is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another, write one sentence. Line starts from point A. Line starts from point A, passing through the center of symmetry I. Line starts from point A, passing through center of symmetry I. Center of symmetry I, and produced an equal distance, and produced an equal distance on the other side, produced an equal distance on the other side. It meets at point B. It meets at point B. It meets at point B. The point A and point B are identical points. Point A and point B are identical points. Point A and point B are identical points. Write summary of this symmetry elements. Axis of symmetry. There are 3 types of axis of symmetry. First one is tetrad axis. Second one is dyad axis, and third one is a triad axis. Tetrad axis, number of tetrad axis किती आहे? Once again we'll write
3.
Okay. Angle किती लागतं? किती रोटेशन मध्ये होते तो?
90 degree.
90
degree.
Okay, 90 degree. Okay. Then dyad axis, how many axes are there?
6.
6.
Angle of rotation किती लागतं तिथं?
180
degree.
In each rotation of 180 degree, it comes into a congruent position. Okay, then triad axis, how many are there?
4.
4 axis.
4.
After rotation through how many degree?
120 degree.
120 degree. Okay, total number of axis of symmetries?
13.
13. Okay, And second type of symmetry is a plane of symmetry. How many planes of symmetries are there?
9.
9 planes of
9.
symmetries are there. Okay. 3 planes parallel to the faces and 6 3 planes parallel to the faces and 6 diagonal planes are there.
What?
Diagonal.
Diagonal.
And how many center of symmetries? How many are there? Center of symmetry. How many such points are there? असे points किती आहेत असले?
1.
1. The center of symmetry is 1. So body centered point एकच असते. The center of symmetry is 1. Total symmetry operations or total number of symmetry elements for the cubic crystal is equal to. किती झाले?
20. 14, 26, 23. 23.
23. आता इथे MCQ किती होते तो? पहिले MCQ. This is first MCQ. Okay, this is first. This one is the second. This one is the third. This one is the fourth. Fourth कसं तयार करणार? Total number of axes of symmetries for the cubic crystal are किती? Total number of axes of symmetries for the cubic crystal are 30. Total number of tetrad axes for the cubic crystal 3. Okay. In each rotation of in tetrad axis, in each rotation of how many degree?
90 degree.
90 degree.
Okay. Now total number of planes of symmetries for the cubic crystal. How many planes of symmetries for the cubic crystal?
9.
9. Okay. Total number of center of symmetries for the cubic crystal?
1.
1. Total number of symmetry elements or symmetry operations for the cubic crystal?
23.
23.
23. किती MCQ झाले बघा. थोडे सगळे MCQ आपण in one page discover. Correct assignment questions up to this part. Calculate. Right, first question. Calculate. पहिला question आहे MCQ लिहायचा असतात आपल्याला प्रत्येक वेळेस. Question number 2 write it. First question number 1 is MCQs. At the last you write it. Okay. Question number 2, calculate number of atoms. Number of atoms. Number of atoms. Calculate number of atoms. Number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atoms per unit cell for SC, BCC and FCC. Number of atoms per unit cell for SC, BCC and FCC. SC, BCC and FCC. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3. What is atomic radius? What is atomic radius? What is atomic radius? Find the relation between. Find the relation between. What is atomic radius? Find the relation between. Find the relation between lattice constant. Find the relation between lattice constant and find the relation between lattice constant and atomic radius. Atomic radius for SC, BCC and FCC. What is atomic radius? Find the relation between lattice constant and atomic radius for SC, BCC and FCC crystal. Okay, next question number 4. Define APF. APF means what is APF?
Atomic packing factor.
Okay, define atomic packing factor and calculate APF for atomic packing factor for SC, BCC and FCC crystals. SC, BCC and FCC crystals. SC, BCC and FCC crystals. Next, define void space. Define void space. Define void space, VOID, void space, and calculate void space for SC, BCC, and FCC. SC, BCC, FCC. Next, define coordination number. Define coordination number. Define coordination number of 10. Obtain coordination number for. Obtain coordination number for SC, BCC, and FCC. SC, BCC, and FCC. Next question. Define axis of symmetry. Define axis of symmetry. Define axis of symmetry. Explain it for cubic crystals. Define axis of symmetry. Explain it for cubic crystals. Next. Define plane of symmetry and define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry and explain it for cubic crystal. Define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry and explain it for cubic crystal. Explain it for cubic crystal. How many questions are written now?
8.
Questions are. Okay, now I will give one numerical. Okay, everyone please write it. It is not, I will not display it here. And I
Sir,
will ask.
last question तेवढा repeat करा ना.
Define center, plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. And explain it for cubic crystal. Explain it for cubic crystals. Okay.
MCQ आम्ही लिहायचे का ते?
MCQ मी देतो मी नंतर सगळ्या अगोदर हे बाकीचे क्वेश्चन लिहून काढा सगळ्या शेवटी MCQ लिहा.
ओके
ओके. नाउ राइट वन एक्झाम्पल. प्रत्येकाने लिहून घ्यायचं आहे एक्झाम्पल. इथे डिस्प्ले करणार नाहीये. नंतर गिवन क्वांटिटी आय विल आस्क एनीवन गिवन क्वांटिटीज and he or she should say with the given quantities. ठीक आहे. Can I start now? प्रत्येकाने लिहून घ्यायचं अजून एकदा रिपीट करतोय. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Aluminium has FCC structure. Aluminum has कसलं स्ट्रक्चर आहे अल्युमिनियमचं? FCC structure. Aluminum has FCC structure. FCC म्हणजे नंबर n किती व्हॅल्यू असते? स्मॉल n ची व्हॅल्यू किती असते फॉर FCC?
4.
n is equal to 4 असते FCC म्हटल्यानंतर. Aluminum has FCC structure. Density is म्हणजे रो दिलाय 2700. Its density is 2700 kg kilogram per meter cube. Its density is 2700 kg per kilogram per meter cube. Full stop. Calculate unit cell dimension. Unit cell dimension means small a. Calculate unit cell dimension and atomic radius means r. Unit cell dimension and atomic radius. Then mass number of aluminum is given. Credit mass number of aluminum is m is given for aluminum. Its value is 26.98. 26.98. 26.98. This mass number of aluminum is given. One more, Avogadro's number capital N is given. It is 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole. Okay. Everyone, please first read it carefully. Then write all the given quantities. This is the numerical. Write all the given quantities and simplify it. Okay, start it now. Once again, will tell me the given quantities. Full sample. First given quantity. Read it and simultaneously tell me the given quantities.
N is equal to 4.
Can I say
Read it. Aluminum has like that. Aluminum has.
aluminum has FCC structure, density
N is equal
is
to 4.
Okay, FCC structure means first I will write N is equal
N is
to
equal to 4.
N is equal to 4 written. Okay. Then second given quantity. Density is given.
Density is 2700 kilogram
kg
per meter cube.
kg per meter cube.
Meter cube.
Okay. Third quantity is given. What is given?
Mass calculated
number.
cell dimension and
Mass
atomic
number.
radius. Mass of
Okay.
aluminum 26.98.
26.98. अजून एक क्वांटिटी दिली आपल्याला काय दिलंय Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number 6.0
6.023 into 10 raised to 26
into 10
kg
raised
per
to
meter.
26
per kilogram meter.
per kg mole. Mole आहे.
ठीक है.
Mole आहे. Per kg mole. Okay. Then rho is equal to which formula? Rho is equal to N. Density is a formula. N m upon
Capital N into a cube.
Capital N cube.
a cube. Therefore a cube is equal to आपल्याला a काढायचं आहे. काय काढायचं आहे? a आणि r काढायचं आहे. a काढायचं आणि r काढायचं आहे. पहिल्यांदा आपण फर्स्ट a साठी सॉल्व करतोय हे. a साठी. Therefore a cube is equal to काय लिहिणार मी? n m upon capital N into rho. बरोबर आहे का? Therefore a is equal to क्यूब रूट येणार ना ह्याचा. बरोबर आहे ना?
Yes sir.
ओके. n म्हणजे किती आहे? यांची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 1. सॉरी यांची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 4 into m ची व्हॅल्यू 26.98. ओके. डिवाइडिंग बाय n किती आहे?
6.023 into 10 to the power 26.
into 10 raised to power 26 into rho
2700.
रेस्ट टू किती लिहिणार मी इथं? इकडे ए लिहिलंय. क्यूब रूट घेतलाय.
3.
ठीक असं
1/3.
1/3 क्यूब रूट काढायचं. करताय सिम्प्लिफाय?
Yes sir.
करा सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आता. Therefore a is equal सेकंड पुन्हा atomic radius. A मिळाल्यानंतर atomic radius A वरून आपण काढू शकतो. First calculate A. Lattice constant A. थोडीशी आयडिया देऊ. 26 10 raised to 26 इंटू 2.7 करा म्हणजे 10⁻³ म्हणजे 10⁻30 येते. 10⁻30चा क्यूब रूट काढायला सोपं जात असतं. ठीक आहे, आलं लक्षात. 10⁻30चा 10 किती येते वर न्यूमरेटरला घेऊन. I want correct answer from your side. Anyone?
Sir, 4.048 into
Okay.
10 raised to 10.
4.048
048 into 10 raised to 10.
10⁻10 हे आलं मीटर मध्ये. ओके, किंवा 4.04 अँगस्ट्रॉम. 4.048 angstrom unit. 4.048 4.048 angstrom unit. Okay, 4.04 is angstrom unit. Okay. Second, atomic radius for FCC. What is formula? Atomic radius for FCC. R is equal to
R A upon 2
A upon 2 root 2.
okay, A upon 2 root 2. Put values. A ची value करा put up. A ची value किती आहे? 4.04 into 10⁻⁻, -10 का +10 आहे?
-10 आहे sir, -10.
अजून कोणीच सांगितलं नाही.
मी
10⁻⁻ सांगितलं होतं. 10⁻⁻10
-10.
divided by 2 root 2. Simplify it. Simplify करा. Calculate atomic radius. R.
Sir, 1.42 येते. 1.428.
1.428
into 10 to the
बघा
power
1.42 into 10⁻⁻10
-10.
मीटर किंवा angstrom unit मध्ये 1.
Armstrong unit. 1.42 Armstrong unit.
Angstrom unit. Okay, can I give similar type of one example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it. Calculate lattice constant. Calculate lattice constant of. Calculate lattice constant of potassium bromide. Calculate lattice constant of potassium bromide. Potassium bromide. Density of potassium bromide is. Density of potassium bromide is. This rho is given 2.7 into 10⁻³ kg per meter cube. Density of potassium bromide is 2.7 into 10⁻³ kg per meter cube and belongs to FCC lattice and belongs to FCC lattice. FCC lattice. Molecular weight of potassium bromide is. Molecular weight of potassium bromide is 119 and Avogadro's number capital N is 6.023 into 10⁻26 per kg mole. Okay, per kg mole. Calculate A means lattice constant, and R
Lattice
means
constant.
means atomic radius. Okay, simplify it. A similar type of example is there. Nothing is new in this. Only there is small change in values. Only काय बदलले फक्त 119 मला वाटतं तेवढंच बदललेलं दिसतंय. 2.7 this is also as it is.
त्यांनी मॉलिक्युलर वेट दिले ना आपल्याला.
हा m ची व्हॅल्यू दिले, कॅपिटल M ची. A capital M is given 190. Which formula rho is equal to first? अजून एकदा वाचू दे क्वेश्चन हा. गरज आहे का? Can I read it once again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculate lattice constant of potassium bromide. काय काढायला सांगितले? Lattice constant. Density दिले. Density of potassium bromide किती दिले? आवडी density 2.7 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. म्हणजे रो ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. FCC means what is value of small n for FCC?
4.
N is equal to 4. Okay, N is equal to 4 and belongs to FCC, and it belongs to FCC. Molecular weight of potassium bromide is 119. M ची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे 119, capital M molecular weight. And Avogadro's number is given 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg mole. Choose formula. Rho is equal to Nm upon capital N into AQ and simplify it. And second, R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. The same formulas are there. Similar type of one example already it is over. फक्त change फक्त M ची व्हॅल्यू चेंज आहे, बाकी काही
Yes,
change
sir.
नाही. पहिल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये M 26.98 होतं, इथे किती आहे 119. Okay, we'll close it here, we'll stop it here.